Today we're going to guide you on how to make a Google Play Store account. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start. All phones, especially Androids, has already a pre-installed application of Google Play Store. And now, you simply need to press on the bottom left screen, create account, and press for myself. Now we need to input our first name and our last name. For this tutorial, we're going to use a random name, Albert Smith. And from there, we need to input our birthday in order for us. Now we need to input our birthday for us to proceed. Now we will be choosing our username on how we will log into our Gmail or our Google Play Store account. As you can see here, the name that we've written is already taken. Now we're going to figure out what username hasn't been taken yet. So this username worked. Now we're going to use, or we're going to create a strong password for us. This ensures security in our account. And now we will have options onto how we will further secure our account to prevent hacking and to prevent from unauthorized access. In this tutorial, we will be skipping for now. Let's press next. Then I agree. And now you will be asked if you want a backup for your Google Drive. We recommend for you to keep it on and press accept. Now you have created your Google Play Store account. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.